Reigns whipped into the corner, and Kane follows it up with a clothesline. And now the big red demon starting to take control of this tag team matchup. And Reigns right to the face of Kane. And Kane maybe going for a choke slam. And Reigns powers out.
That's how you stop a choke slam.
Oh, and a Samoan drop. Roman's got to make a tag to Cena.
Triple H getting a little antsy here. He's up out of his chair. Looks a little perturbed.
Tag! Here comes the champ.
Cena! Cena's been waiting on this opportunity, standing over there like a caged tiger. You can't see me. How about looking at this five-knuckle shuffle, though?
John Cena now measuring Randy Orton. Cena lifting Orton up, going for the AA here. Randy Orton trying to fight out of it, and he does. Orton tag, here comes Kane.
Up goes Kane! Wait a minute. Even Kane can't see John Cena. The champ is here with a five-knuckle shuffle for Kane.
Now Cena, we're gonna get Kane up. And look at Orton, Randy Orton, with an RKO! And Roman Reigns gonna send Orton flying. Superman punch! And now Reigns going right after Orton.
These two fighting towards the back.
Yeah, these two, the personal animosity between these two.
In the meantime, Kane is flat on his back after that punch, trying to roll out of the ring, but look at this two battle up the ramp. Where are they going?
Orton and Reigns just gonna fight all the way back in the locker room area. Meanwhile, out here at ringside, Kane with John Cena, and John Cena into the steel steps, and Cena still feeling the effects of the RKO from Orton.